Hello, developers. Choosing between AWS Amplify and Supabase for your backend? Let's break them down and find out which one's right for you. AWS Amplify is a backend as a service platform from Amazon. It's built for full stack apps offering authentication, APIs, storage, and serverless function. With tight integration into AWS services like DynamoDB and Lambda, it's super scalable and customizable. Amplify's CLI and Studio make setup fast, but its complex pricing and AWS ecosystem can overwhelm beginners. Supabase is an open-source Firebase alternative powered by PostgreSQL. It provides a real-time database authentication, storage, and auto-generated APIs. Its intuitive dashboard, Supabase Studio, simplifies database management. Being open source, it's flexible and cost-effective, but it has a smaller ecosystem and fewer advanced features than Amplify. So, how do they stack up? Amplify shines for enterprise-grade apps needing AWS fast infrastructure. It's ideal for complex serverless projects but can be pricey and steep for newbies. Supabase is developer-friendly, perfect for startups or SQL fans who want control and real-time features without breaking the bank. Its open-source nature means you can self-host, but it lacks Amplify's depth for massive-scale apps. Choose Amplify for large-scale, AWS integrated projects where scalability is key. Pick Supabase for quick, cost-effective builds, especially if you love PostgreSQL or need real-time data. Your project size and budget will decide. That's it, guys. Drop a comment with your favorite and subscribe for more tech showdowns. Code down.